Magandang buhay! Welcome to Unwind Within Podcast. This week episode, The Silent Struggle, Understanding, Bigat sa Loob sa Kulturang Pinoy. Self-Care Saturday with Mom Guilds. Hi mga sis! And today, let's talk about something real but often kept quiet. Yung bigat sa loob na hindi mo ma-explain. Yung lungkot na hindi mo maikwento. Yung lubog moments na akala ng iba drama lang. Hindi ito arte. Hindi rin ito kakulangan sa dasal. Tayo kasing mga Pinoy known for being resilient, masayahin, palatawa kahit may pinagdadaanan. Pero minsan, deep inside, may pressure to be okay. May guilt kapag pagod, may takot masabi ng totoo kasi baka sabihin nag-iinarte ka. Mom Guilds reminder, hindi mo kailangang ngumiti para matanggap. Yung lungkot mo, hindi yang kahinaan. Tao ka lang, sis. Psychology time. Ayon kay Dr. Violeta Bautista, UP Diliman, maraming Pinoy na may emotional distress ang hindi nagsasalita. Kaya, sa katawan lumalabas. Ang tawag dito ay somatization. Katulad ng sakit ng ulo, bigat ng katawan, kirot sa dibdib. Walang gana pero di mo alam bakit. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan ng gamot agad. Kailangan mo lang marinig at maunawaan. Fun fact, alam mo ba? Hinagpis and hinanakit, mga salitang Pinoy ay walang exact translation sa English. They describe deep, quiet pain and hindi madaling ipaliwanag. Our language knows how to feel deeply. Kaya okay lang if you feel deeply too. Self-care tool of the day. Subukan ng 3 challenge. Kapag mabigat ang loob mo today, pause and ask, ano talaga ang nararamdaman ko? May pinagmumulan ba ito? Pagod? Pressure? Rejection? Anong isang bagay na kaya kong gawin ngayon para kumalma? Pwedeng uminom ng tubig, pwedeng maligo, pwedeng journal writing. Di kailangan ng bongga. To those carrying a silent weight. Yung parang okay ka pero hindi ka talaga okay. Yung tibong pagod na kahit kagigising mo lang. Sis, you're not broken. You're just tired, feeling and fighting in silence. And that's why you need gentleness, not judgment. Let today be your reminder. You can rest, you can cry, you can talk, and yes, you are allowed to feel. If may kilala kang tahimik, pero parang may dinadala, i-share mo ito sa kanya. And in the comments, kung okay lang sa'yo. I-share mo, one thing I do when I feel emotionally heavy. Let's remind each other. Healing doesn't need noise, just honesty. Self-Care Saturday with Mom Gills and Wine Within podcast.